Okay, we're now here in Metcalf at the farm. We're in a really rough hay field. I thought about including me bouncing around on a tractor across the field, but that would have taken a little too much time. But you have to trust me, it's not a place where you're driving very quickly. Hope you enjoy this. Couple quick notes. All of these tractors that we've done and all the operations we'll do are in two-wheel drive. Again, they are properly ballasted, which is incredibly important. There isn't any one of these tractors that could even be considered to run without an appropriate amount of ballast. We are making use of a couple of horse double prong bale spears, great Ontario built product. Behind me you'll see a JBM wagon, well, it's a JBM rack on a horsed undercarriage. Good tough product, Ontario built. So we're gonna get right to it. We'll pick on the LX 3310 first and move up all the way to the MX. Just a quick note on the hay. I don't have it weighed. I do assume this is about an 800-pound bale. We did bale these approximately a month ago using a Kubota BV5160 SC14. So it's a rotor baler. It knows how to pack an incredible amount of hay into these, and they are measured up at 4x5. So this is a real test of a real bale in the field. All right, so we've gotten the wagon back from the field. As you saw us loading it earlier, we're now going to unload this wagon and stack it. So we're going to start again with the LX 3310. This tractor, as you've seen, has the lift capacity to be able to grab these big bales and to be able to move them. One of the considerations you really got to be thinking about is how high are you stacking, how many rows are you stacking, where are you stacking your hay. In this particular case, because we've had a lot of hay this year, this stuff's going to be staying outside. Ideally we'll be stacking 3 high. As you see here, I'm going to unload from this wagon. I'm entirely reliant on my tilt cylinders. My lift height is maxed out to be able to get this off, which is perfectly fine, but it means that when I do stack, there's no way I'm going to be able to put my 3rd unit up. So one of the considerations to keep in mind. Here we go. Okay, we're back on the L2502. We're going to run through the same exercise we just did on the LX. One of the things that you'll notice is that as the tractors start getting bigger, I'm going to be running the hydraulics quicker, trying to decrease the amount of time I'm spending moving my hay all day, like any of you would. And so this tractor gives me, again, more base weight. It's properly ballasted. It's got a wide front axle. And so you're going to see me speeding things up a little bit with each of the next tractors that we work with. So here's the L2502. Okay, so now we're on to the L3560. The 60 series is, again, the largest, heaviest of the compact tractors before we go into the utility tractors, and this is the smallest of that series. The 3560 is considerably heavier, wider, everything else, loaded with features like the auto throttle on this, which you're going to see demonstrated, also the engine rev up from my loader joystick, all kinds of things that make this tractor insanely productive. One thing of note, actually 2 things of note. Number 1, there are 2 loaders available for the L3560, the LA555 at 555 kilograms of lift capacity, or the 805. So the 805, the 555, we got lots of lift capacity for what we need. Again, it's the height. And so you'll see with this one, I can just get a 3rd row done. This would be very easy to accomplish with the LA805 loader. Let's take a look. Okay, so we're down to the final tractor here. This is the MX6000. So this tractor obviously will have no problem, as you've seen, lifting these bales and moving them comfortably over unlevel terrain. But what I do want to point out here is it's the first tractor with enough reach to be able to reach across the wagon, so I don't have to go around the wagon to unload or load all the time, which is a really convenient feature. So obviously the biggest tractor is always the nicest, the best. But as we've shown today, there's a lot of different options in our product lineup to be able to satisfy your needs. And of course, we've only highlighted 4 of 14 models that could have been talked about here today. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and we sure had fun making it. Thank you. All right, everybody, I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. We had a lot of fun, as I was saying, making it. Had to do a little bit of a thing with the RTV there. Those things are just an absolute beast. So if you got one tractor around your farm, all you need is an RTV, as you can see, to get things done. Thanks for tuning into the channel. Give us a call at Weagant Farm Supplies, Broxville, or the Top Line store at Winchester. We'd love to show these to you more. Bye now.